Introducing the revolutionary smart sneakers, backed by experts from Harvard Medical School. By taking 4,400 steps a day, you can strengthen your body and enhance your quality of life. These innovative kicks boast adjustable cushioning, tailored to your body and activity. Inside the sole lies a pneumatic system, generating up to 2.5 bars of pressure through mini cylinders. Whether you're jogging on asphalt or trekking through the wilderness, the sneakers adapt accordingly. Feel the lunar-like softness during a cross-country walk and experience heightened rigidity on a run. A smartphone app collects data for personalized settings, resembling an F1 car. Join the Kickstarter and secure your pair in Q2 this year for just $201. Elevate your walking experience with these cutting-edge sneakers. For generations, broken bones were treated with heavy and inconvenient casts, leaving patients unable to scratch the affected area. But now, thanks to 3D printing technology, we have a better solution. 3D printed pads are lighter, more convenient, and customized to each patient's unique needs. They even allow for easier monitoring of the skin's condition. While the price may range from $200 to $500, the advantages are clear. So why suffer needlessly? It's time to embrace the future of bone healing with 3D printed pads. Breaking the mold of traditional innovations from Japan, Honda engineers have unveiled a groundbreaking concept for a hands-free wheelchair. The user simply leans in the desired direction, and this cutting-edge wheelchair responds effortlessly. Equipped with a posture sensor that detects movements, angles, and various parameters, it also intelligently adapts to ascend or descend, accommodating communication with a seated individual. With its revolutionary Honda Omni traction drive system, this wheelchair offers unparalleled freedom of movement in a 360-degree range, conquering any road irregularities along the way. Although still in development, the availability and release date of this extraordinary wheelchair remain uncertain. Introducing the hilarious robot that excels in carrying loads up to 50 kilograms effortlessly. Whether it's smooth warehouse floors or challenging terrains, this remarkable machine conquers it all. It fearlessly tackles inclines of up to 17 degrees and breezes over 14-centimeter steps, reaching speeds of 6 kilometers per hour. The cherry on top is its astounding endurance, powering through 17.5 hours on a single charge, defying any weather condition except minus 20 degrees Celsius. Moreover, this adaptable platform can easily transform into a janitor, security guard, or even a sprinkler system. It's no wonder they clinched the prestigious Robotics Company of the Year 2022 award, and now they've joined forces with Deutsche Telekom, Europe's telecommunications titan. Behold, an extraordinary glider unlike any other on our planet, as expressed by the author of this captivating video. Prepare to be astounded. This remarkable two-seat motor glider, featuring a retractable gas turbine engine, was meticulously crafted in the Czech Republic. Boasting an impressive wingspan of 17 meters and a lightweight 46 horsepower engine weighing a mere 20 kilograms, this masterpiece necessitates a 2-minute cooldown before its graceful folding. Ascending to awe-inspiring heights of 305 meters per minute, it traverses distances of up to 150 kilometers, effortlessly executing intricate maneuvers. Sadly, the manufacturing company met its demise in 2010, leaving only the remnants of its website in the archives of the internet. A true pity, for these gliders were envisioned as an optimal choice for flight schools. Introducing an extraordinary drone designed to aid in the search for missing individuals. Among its remarkable capabilities, the drone boasts an exceptional cell phone detector feature. Even in areas with no signal, this cutting-edge device can accurately locate a cell phone within a few meters. Covering a vast 16 square kilometers in just 2 hours, it reaches speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour while carrying a payload of up to 10 kilograms. Equipped with advanced autonomous software, the drone relays captured footage to ground operators the moment its cameras detect any potential leads. Operating flawlessly in temperatures ranging from -40 to +40 degrees Celsius and soaring up to 3 kilometers above sea level, it utilizes the FLAM system employed by aircraft to avert any inadvertent mid-air collisions. Prepare for a groundbreaking search and rescue solution with this remarkable drone. Next, let's explore the cutting-edge realm of pilot training. Say hello to the future with the latest generation of helmets that elevate pilots to true experts. Behold the Pinnacle model, boasting an astounding 8K resolution and specially crafted optics that deliver unparalleled clarity, all within a remarkable 180-degree viewing angle. This advanced helmet ensures comfort even for those donning glasses. Weighing 12% lighter and more compact than its predecessors, it also showcases a completely reimagined headband. As an added marvel, the world's first auto-eye system analyzes and effortlessly adjusts pilot lenses, catering to the scarcity of helmets and abundance of pilots. Adding to the array of innovation, the Leap Motion sensor allows pilots to visualize their hands in simulations, enhancing training's ease and comfort. Embrace a future where voice commands rule over clunky menus. Simply utter a few words to control this remarkable helmet. In Australia, a group of brilliant engineering students came together to create the world's swiftest solar-powered electric car. Surpassing all expectations, the car successfully covered a remarkable distance of 1,000 kilometers in a mere 11 hours, 53 minutes, and 32 seconds. Expert validation and subsequent recognition from the Guinness World Records confirmed their extraordinary achievement. Richard Hopkins, former head of operations at the renowned F1 team Red Bull Racing, skillfully led this student team. To maximize efficiency and overcome financial constraints, certain design options were sacrificed. However, their ambitious plans involve entering the Bridgestone World Solar Challenge, a grueling 3,000-kilometer race through the unforgiving Australian outback. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.